Hello friends, today we are going to be discuss about problem and solution part. So here we are going to be discuss about git push problem. The problem we can say in two different way. The first way, git push not working after downloading zip from GitHub, which means I have two accounts. Okay, A account and B account. From A account, I have repo in the master branch. I have downloaded that repo. In that case, download as a zip format. So the zip format project I'm going to be add into B account repo. Okay, that time I'm not able to push the downloading zip repo to the other account. This is the problem. The second way we can tell us the same problem as GitHub push blocked even after removing token. Okay, which means secret still in commit history. So now you can clear about the problem, right? So you can find which is attached screenshot. So in the A account, I have that project in master branch. I download as a zip format. I try to add into B account repo, right? So when I try to push, that time I'm getting error as a repository rule violation found for refs heads main. Okay, so this is the complete the length of message you have seen while you are trying to push into your main branch. You can see again Bitbucket server personal access token, and again you can see push decline due to repository rule violations, which means my repo contain some secret maybe or else some other address which is I'm violating GitHub rule. So exactly now what is the problem? So I downloaded zip from GitHub, extracted it, tried to push it to other account, right? So the real problem is so clearly mentioned in this message something your GitHub repo contain some personal access token, either password or API key or any other token, whatever it is you have mentioned in your code without encrypted, right? In that case, GitHub does not allowing you push it to the main branch. Got it? So this is the things. So anyhow, already I have downloaded as a zip, correct? But still your changes, your tokens or whatever password present in your commit history. Got it? So now what I do, my first attempt for applying the solution, I just remove the history which is cached. So this is the following commands I have followed for the clean reset. You just follow the same command, okay? Git rm removing the cached one. Again, I try to add and I have to commit and I have to push. Let's see whether it is work or not. Let's see. So I just removed all the cached. You can see this of the things contain the history. I try to not history in the cached one. I try to remove it. Again, I try to add after removing those things. Then I have to commit with the message as a clean commit without secrets. Again, I try to push my, forcefully I push my changes into the main branch. Still, I have seen the same message. Clearly mentioned, push cannot contain secrets. And also, I'm violating GitHub repo rule. So, what I attempted, the first solution is after downloading zip extracting, I try to removing all the tokens manually. So from environment files or wherever you are mentioned your password, whatever it is, I just removed everything and I try to push my changes. Still it is blocking for me. I'm not able to push my changes. What is the solutions really worked for me? I'm just going to be share with you. So then I reset full history. So here you can see before I just removed the cached one. Here you can see which is highlighted with red color rm-rf space .git. I'm completely resetting the git history. Again I have to initialize this git and add those files and commit with the commit message which is I have to mention clean commit with removes old history. Again I have to switch to the main branch. So make it clear one thing. I'm just going to be show you that the screenshot. Okay. So I'm just removing all the git folder, the resetting. Then I have to commit with mention the message which is clean commit with removes whole history. You can see. Next, I just push my changes into the main branch. So make it clear one thing here, whether you are in master branch or main branch. Okay, if it is main branch, you have to switch to master to main. If it is master, then you can switch to main to master. So make it clear whether you are going to be push your changes into main branch or master branch. Got it? So like you can check that one. So then I try to add my origin clone things. Here you can see add origin that git repo link. Then I have to try to push into the main branch. So now completely removes my old history and secret everything. Then I have to push my changes successfully. You can see this is my repo, which is, you can see the message, right? Clean commit with removes whole history. So this is the way you have to commit your changes. Your repo should not contain any secret things, which is password or token or API key, whatever it is. You should remove that. Then only you can push in your changes into the repo. So this is the way you have to solve this problem.